Ever wondered what it would be like to explore the heart of South America? Today, we delve into the land of ancient civilizations, vibrant culture, and jaw-dropping landscapes, Peru. This captivating country, steeped in rich history and boasting stunning natural beauty, invites us to unravel its mysteries. From the charming city of Cusco to the mesmerizing Rainbow Mountain, the enigmatic Nazca Lines, and the awe-inspiring Amazon rainforest, there's a world of adventure waiting at every turn. Buckle up as we embark on an unforgettable journey through the most amazing places to visit in Peru. Our first stop takes us to the beating heart of Peru, Cusco, a city that was once the capital of the Inca Empire. This city breathes history, and you can almost hear the whispers of ancient civilizations as you traverse its charming cobblestone streets. Each stone is a testament to the city's rich past, a silent storyteller that has endured the test of time. The colonial architecture is equally alluring, a blend of Spanish influences and indigenous traditions that paints a vivid picture of the city's diverse heritage. But Cusco is not just about the past. It thrives in the present too, with vibrant markets that are a feast for the senses. Here you can sample the local delicacies, mingle with the friendly locals, and immerse yourself in the city's pulsating energy. It's a city that beautifully marries the old with the new, creating a tapestry that is uniquely Peruvian. You can feel the history in every cobblestone of this charming city. Now, we soar through the skies to the enigmatic Nazca Lines, ancient geoglyphs that have puzzled archaeologists for decades. Nestled in the arid plains of the Peruvian desert, these massive designs etched into the earth present an awe-inspiring spectacle that leaves you spellbound. The Nazca Lines are not just lines but intricate drawings of animals, plants, and abstract figures, each telling a unique story of the ancient Nazca civilization. From a giant spider spanning almost 150 feet to a hummingbird with a wingspan of nearly 100 feet, the sheer scale and precision of these figures are astounding. But what's even more fascinating is how they were created. The Nazca people removed the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the surface of the Nazca Desert, revealing the light-colored earth underneath. The mystery of their purpose and how they have survived intact for over 2,000 years continues to baffle scientists. From monkeys to hummingbirds, the designs of these colossal figures are simply mind-boggling. Embark on a mesmerizing journey through the rugged terrains of the Andes to the enchanting Rainbow Mountain. A natural wonder nestled in the Peruvian highlands, this mountain is a kaleidoscope of vibrant hues that seem to defy reality. The trek itself is a thrilling odyssey, taking you through picturesque valleys, quaint villages, and ancient trails that whisper tales of the region's rich history. Every step unveils a new palette of colors, from fiery reds to soothing blues. The high-altitude adventure adds an element of challenge, but it only heightens the sense of accomplishment when you finally reach the summit. Savor the crisp mountain air that fills your lungs, feel the sun's rays gently warming your skin, and bear witness to the ever-changing play of light on the rugged peaks. Feel the crisp mountain air and savor the sweet taste of victory as you stand amidst the breathtaking panorama. Our adventure continues in the Amazon rainforest, where the vibrant tapestry of nature unfolds at every turn. As we navigate the meandering waters of the mighty Amazon River, we're enveloped by a symphony of exotic bird calls and the rustle of unseen creatures. It's a sensory masterpiece that never fails to captivate. Here, towering trees draped in cascading vines form a verdant canopy, shielding a plethora of life below. Marvel at the kaleidoscope of colors as rare butterflies dance through shafts of sunlight and vibrant orchids bloom in hidden nooks. This immersive experience offers glimpses into the intricate web of interconnected ecosystems, showcasing the delicate balance that sustains this awe-inspiring wilderness. The Amazon rainforest, with its untamed beauty, beckons explorers to witness the magic of nature in its purest form. But the allure of Peru's natural wonders doesn't stop here. We now turn our gaze to Lake Titicaca. Nestled high in the Andes, Lake Titicaca is a sight to behold. Picture clear blue waters surrounded by snow-capped peaks. The highest navigable lake in the world, it's not just a geographical marvel, but also a cultural treasure. Here we find the floating Uros Islands, crafted entirely from totora reeds. These islands are a testament to the ingenuity of the local communities, offering a peek into a fascinating culture that's thrived for centuries.